Lipids. Hello friends. Lipids are heterogeneous group of compounds. Occurs both in plants and animals. They are insoluble in water but are soluble in solvents like ether, chloroform and benzene. Let us now see the classification of fatty acids. There are three types of lipids. First type is simple lipids. They are esters of fatty acids with alcohol, which include neutral fats which are esters of fatty acid with glycerol, and wax which are fatty acids with alcohol other than glycerol. Second type is compound lipids, which includes esters of fatty acids containing groups in addition to alcohol and fatty acids. For example, phospholipid, which contains fatty acids, alcohol plus phosphoric acid. Glycolipid, which contains fatty acid plus carbohydrate plus nitrogen but no phosphoric acid. The third type is derived lipid, which are substances derived from simple and compound lipids by hydrolysis, and examples are fatty acids, glycerol, steroids, alcohol, sterols, fatty aldehydes, ketone bodies, vitamin A, D and K. Let us now study the fatty acids in detail. Fatty acid has one carboxyl end and one methyl end. Polar end has carboxyl group and are hydrophilic in nature, and non-polar end has hydrocarbon chain which is hydrophobic in nature. For example, in this chain, the non-polar end has CH3 and the polar end has carboxyl group COOH. Let us now study the types of fatty acids. The general formula is CH3CH2 n times COOH. The general where n varies from 2 to 22. According to the length of fatty acids are divided into three types. First is short chain fatty acids, which contains 2 to 8 carbon atoms. Second is medium chain fatty acid, which contains 10 to 14 carbon atoms. And third is long chain fatty acids, which contains 16 to 24 carbon atoms. Thank you. This is about fatty acids.